Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set the default scale for your Simplebooklet. With just a few clicks, you can control exactly how your content fits on your audience's screen, making sure it looks perfect whether they're on desktop, tablet, or mobile. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on Advanced. This is where you'll find the default scale settings along with other display options. So as you can see, we're going to go right here to the default scale section and click on the pencil icon to edit it. Here's where we'll choose our scale. So from the drop down here, we have our different options. So we have the fit to screen option. This scales your Simplebooklet to fit the full screen, so all content is visible without scrolling. Then we have the original dimension. So this displays your booklet at its original size. Smaller screens may require scrolling. So if we go original, see it will zoom up like that. And then we have fit to width. So this adjusts the booklet to fit the screen width, which may require vertical scrolling as well. In this case, it doesn't. And then a couple other options here. We have set to width 980. So this is optimized for standard desktop and tablet displays. And then we have set to width 1440, and this is great for larger desktop screens. So I'm going to go fit to screen. And then once you've picked the default scale, you're just going to go ahead and click on the Done button. And your Simplebooklet will now display exactly how you want it for your readers. And that's it. Setting the default scale for your Simplebooklet improves the attention stage of the reader's journey. By displaying your content clearly and in the best format, you help readers focus on what matters most without distractions, making it easier for them to engage with your material and navigate seamlessly. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.